Hi class, today we're going to be learning how to write effective commentary in your argumentative essay. Now, writing commentary is one of the more difficult parts of writing any essay, and it's something that our class has really struggled with this year. So in this video, I'm going to try to make it easier to understand and apply commentary to your argumentative essay on social media. So first, what is commentary? When you think of commentary, think of sports commentators like Dick Vitale. When Dick Vitale commentates on sports games, he offers extra insights and analysis on what you are watching. Commentary in writing is the exact same thing. When you write commentary, you simply provide your insight and analysis to support the evidence for your argument. I want you to watch the following video. Listen to what the commentator is saying. See if you can find his insight and analysis on the game. Okay, now that we have watched the video, let's ask ourselves a couple of questions. Did the commentator simply state the facts or the play-by-play of the game? No. So should you just state the facts that support your argument? No. Think of how boring the game would have been if the commentator simply stated the facts or what was going on in the game. Our paper would be just as boring without the commentary and extra ideas that we provide to the evidence. So let's think, what else did the commentator do? Well, he did state facts and statistics for the players. He said Kentucky has 7 minutes left on the shot clock, Teague has 6 points, and Lamb has 4. However, his best commentary was when he analyzed and gave insight about the game. For example, he said you have to be aggressive if you're Louisville. You cannot expect to play a slow-down, half-court game and play with Kentucky. That is insightful evidence that makes the game more interesting. We need to provide insightful evidence and ideas to support our evidence as well. So now that we better understand what commentary is, let's figure out where we put it. Now, commentary almost always comes after the topic sentence and the introduction to your evidence. Now, to help you better understand how to incorporate commentary, I've broken it down into 2 hopefully easy steps. The first step is to make an inference about the evidence provided, figure out your ideas and how they connect. The second step is explain how that evidence connects to the topic sentence and the central idea of what you are writing. For this example, I'm going to use the paper that you've received earlier. Now, the first body paragraph of that paper looks like this. In blue is the topic sentence and in red is the evidence. So, this claim is stating that research completed on Facebook users shows that teens experience a boost in self-esteem after interacting with their profiles. And then our evidence to support that says, according to Jeffrey Hancock, updating Facebook profiles boosts student self-esteem even more than looking in a mirror. Now let's ask ourselves those 2 questions I mentioned earlier. What can I infer about the evidence that is provided? And 2, how does that inference connect to my paper's topic? Well, let's review my evidence again. My evidence was, according to Jeffrey Hancock, updating Facebook profiles boosts student self-esteem even more than looking in a mirror. So what can I infer about the evidence provided? Well, I see the part about a mirror, and I'm thinking about teens and how they feel about themselves when they look in a mirror. And instantly, I think about people not liking what they see. So I can infer that many people who look in the mirror do not like what they see because it depicts them as they really are and not the idea of what they would like to be. So that is a good inference from the evidence. Now we have to ask ourselves that second question. How does that inference connect to my paper's topic? So we need to connect that to how that boosts student self-esteem. How does Facebook do this when mirrors cannot? So I wrote, unlike mirrors, Facebook always allows users to feature the aspects of themselves that they tend to like the most, boosting their self-esteem. That ties it back into our topic sentence about Facebook boosting students' self-esteem. So let's see what it all looks like together. In green is my topic sentence, in blue is the evidence, and in red is my commentary and analysis. So, research completed on Facebook users shows that teens experience a boost in self-esteem after interacting with their profiles. According to Jeffrey Hancock, updating Facebook profiles boosts a student's self-esteem even more than looking in a mirror. When teens look into a mirror, it reminds them of who they really are and may have a negative effect on self-esteem if that image does not match with their ideal. However, by using Facebook, teens can show a positive version of themselves. They can choose what they most like about themselves and feature that trait more often. So that is what your full body paragraph is going to look like with your topic sentence, that evidence, and then your commentary. So just a little review. Remember that your commentary goes after your topic sentence and after the introduction of your evidence. And remember, you want to ask yourself 2 questions. Step 1, you need to make an inference about whatever evidence you just provided, and then explain how that evidence connects back to the topic sentence and that central idea of the essay. Follow these 2 easy steps, and hopefully your commentary will be great in your essay.